This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can record the screen on this device. So before I show you how to actually record the screen, let me quickly reveal where you should be looking for the screen recorder settings and properties. Simply launch settings, go into additional settings category, and from here open the screen recording page. Here is the full list of preferences and settings you can change, ranging from sound or picture preferences up to some more specialized options, such as recording simultaneously recording your screen and video from your front camera if you want to show yourself. Also, you can show or hide touches and so on. Now, in order to actually record the screen, open your control panel, find the screen record shortcut or icon, screen recording, here it is. Tap on it. Now this little shortcut appears, so tap over here to start the screen recording. If you would like to pause it, press here. If you would like to finish it, press this tick icon, or I've actually forgot how this icon is called in English, so disregard. Now, if you would like to access your screen recordings, simply open your gallery, albums, and they are usually, automatically they will get saved to their separate videos folder here. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.